Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by forming a silica sol that will become the gel network. Mix precursor with solvent and a catalyst so polymer chains begin to link. This is where structure is defined. Once the mixture becomes cloudy, a weak network is forming. Make sure to monitor viscosity and stop stirring gently to let the gel set. You are creating the pour template now, so clean technique matters. If you're uncertain, consult a trained chemist before proceeding. After gelation, age the gel to reinforce silica bonds and reduce fragility. This stabilizes structure for drying. Once aged, exchange the pour liquid gradually with a solvent that eases later drying. Slow, repeated exchanges reduce stress. During this stage, handle gels gently and keep conditions steady so capillary forces don't collapse pores. You are preparing the material for drying. This is the decisive middle step. So patience and clean transfers pay off for preserving ultra-low. The final stage is drying while keeping the silica skeleton intact. Choose an appropriate method that minimizes capillary stress and employ professional equipment or services. Once dry, apply surface treatments to improve handling and moisture resistance, then cut and package carefully. If you encounter cracking or collapse, stop and review your solvent exchange sequence and aging time. Often repeating gentle exchanges or altering aging reduces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.